Hello everyone, I'm Manju Chawla and today I will explain the first poem My Mother at 66 from Flamingo Book of Class 12th. The poet is Kamla Das. This poem is based on mother-daughter relationship and the poet shares her feelings for her mother who is around 66 and the poet fears that one day her mother will depart from her. Before starting the explanation of the poem, I would like to tell you something about the poet first. You know who is the poet? As I have already told to you, poet of this poem is Kamla Das, who is recognized as one of India's foremost poets. Her works are known for their originality, versatility, and the indigenous flavor of the soil. Kamla Das has published many novels and short stories, in English and even in Malayalam under the name of Madhavi Kutti. She was also a widely read columnist and wrote on diverse topics including women's issues, child care and politics. She won Kerala Sahitya Academy Award and Sahitya Academy Award, dear students. This poem, if we talk about, it has been written in lyrical idiom, dear students, and it brings out the complexity of human relationships. What is significant about the poem is that the whole poem is written in a single sentence, and it is punctuated by commas. So let's begin with the explanation of the poem. The beginning line says, driving from my parents' home to Cochin last Friday morning, I saw my mother beside me, doors open mouthed, her face ashen like that of a corpse. So, I would like to explain these lines. Here, in these lines, poet says that she had gone to visit her parents' home near Cochin. On Friday morning, she was returning. On her way to the airport, she noticed her mother, who was sleeping beside her in the car. Her mouth was open. Her face was pale and lifeless, just like a corpse, a dead body. It perhaps expressed the pain she felt because of separation from her mother. In the next line, poet says, and realized with pain that she was as old as she looked, but soon put that thought away and looked out at young trees sprinting, the merry children spilling out of their homes. In these lines, poet intends to say that she was alarmed by the sudden realization that old age had crept upon her mother. It was a reality she found hard to accept. The poet was pained to see her mother's colorless, pale face. To take her attention away from the disturbing thought, she says, what did she do? She looked outside the car. Because the car was moving, the younger green trees appeared to be running in the opposite direction. It was actually scientifically optical illusion. And she says further, she also saw a group of children who were rushing out of their homes to play. The significance, dear students, of these lines is all this probably reminded her of her childhood when her mother was young. The young sprinting trees represented how fast time had flown by. The children represented youth, which was full of life and energy. Both the young trees and the children presented a sharp contrast to the mother sitting beside her, who was old and suffering from ill health. In the next lines, the poet says, but after the airport security check, standing a few yards away, I looked again at her when pale as a late winter's moon. So, if I explain these lines, she says The young trees, the young children and trees were able to divert her thought away. But after reaching the airport and passing through security check, the poet again looked at her mother, who was standing a few yards away from her. Her mother looked lifeless and dull like a late winter's moon to her. You know, dear students, the mother has been compared to the late winter's moon as she is very old and her face is ashen, pale, and withered. She looks very dull and lifeless like the late winter's moon. That is why the poet has used a simile for her mother. She has compared her mother with a late winter's moon. In the concluding line, she says, and felt that old familiar ache, my childhood's fear. But all I said was, see you soon, Amma. All I did was smile and smile and smile. Once again, she was pained to see her mother in this condition, as she was going away and leaving her mother, her old familiar pain. What was the old familiar pain, Her childhood fear was also there. The pain and fear was that she would lose her mother. And that fear suddenly came back to her. So she tried to hide her emotions behind her smile. She did not want to reveal her feelings to her old mother. And she bade her farewell with a smile. She gave hope to her mother and herself too by saying that they would meet again and kept on smiling. So that's it. This was the complete explanation of this poem. Hope you all would like it. Thank you very much.